This SVG bundle is available for purchase on Etsy. Once it's uploaded onto Design Space, ungroup the bundle. Click on the bundle, then click Ungroup on the top right sidebar. For this design, I will discard Eat the Bacon and Eat the Pizza. The delete button is located at the top right sidebar. If you choose to hide the images, click on the eye icon on the right sidebar to hide or reveal parts of your design or an entire image. Click on the turkey is poisoned. Right-click, then duplicate. Sometimes it doesn't register, so I'll just right-click, then duplicate again. Ungroup both images. Ungroup button is located on the top right sidebar or by right-clicking the image. For this SVG, I'm recreating the turkey is dry. I'm just deleting the letters that I won't need. I am rearranging the position of the word is by grouping the word first, then dragging it to where I want it to be. Drag the letters from the other ungrouped image. To resize a letter, click on the tool located at the bottom right corner of the letter and drag to resize. Once it looks good, I can delete the other image and make any additional adjustments. I'm going to discard the additional turkey images that I won't be using. I only need 2 turkeys for my design. Again, you can hide the images with the eye icon if you decide that you will be using it for your own design. Yay! I just recreated an SVG of an existing SVG. You can get into creative mode and do much more with the other files included in the bundle. For this design, I am removing the bottom half of the turkey by clicking and deleting each piece that I won't be using. If there are pieces that I won't highlight, make sure to group the pieces that you will need for your image prior to moving it away. In this case, the sign is blocking the pieces that I don't need. I will be printing the parts of the turkey by color for HTV dog bandanas. The signs and turkey eyes are black. For the top feathers, I went with yellow. For the eyes, I need to group first prior to sectioning so that I don't alter the face of the turkey. The turkey snoods are red. Orange for the beaks and lower feathers. And the turkey heads and hands are brown. To change all the pieces of the entire section by color, go to the top bar and click on the color box. This will make it easier when printing your vinyl by color. In this design, it's 5 vinyl colors. I will place a border around the image. By doing this, click on the top bar offset button. You can play around with the scale for a smaller or bigger border. This border will be printed on white vinyl. That makes it a total of 6 vinyl colors for this design. To see how I layered this design on my dog bandanas, click on the link in the description box below. I hope you learned something new. If you did, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have fun recreating your own SVG.